Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Interjection 57. The interjection today is brrr. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Okay, let's get right to it. The main use of brrr is to show one is cold or shivering, kind of like that. A second use could be to express disgust or strong dislike. All right, let's continue. The origin of brrr comes from the fact that it is supposed to be an onomatopoeia. Remember, that's when you form a word from the way, the sound of something. Like we do this with animals a lot, like moo is spelled M-O-O because a cow moos. So we write that as moo, M-O-O. All right, so onomatopoeia, so brrr is supposed to be an onomatopoeia of teeth chattering. So if you're very cold, like, I guess it's supposed to be like that. Or warming one's lips, like kind of like that. And do people do that when they're cold? A little bit sometimes. Or rolling one's R's. That's like in Spanish when you do the R. But so I guess here when you're cold, you're like brr, brr, brr. So they think that it could come from any one of those three. That's why we got brrr. Okay. So let's look at the first one. We got 4 examples to show just how we use this. Brrr, my God, it's cold outside. Yeah, that's just the way somebody might say it. We're going to have a deep freeze moving in. Brrr, number 3 here, I'm not going out in that blizzard. That's like a bad windy snowstorm. Brrr, I'm not going to even step outside, meaning, you forget it. I'm just staying in all day. All right, number 4, brrr, the thought of entering that haunted house makes me shiver. All right, so now this is not one that's to do with cold. Remember, I also said that it could be like disgust or strong dislike. Maybe you're very afraid. Somebody wanted you to go into a haunted house with them, and you said, brrr, I'm not doing that. So kind of in that way. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.